Hey friends, Zen Kuni here, and we're going to use the pendulum this morning just for some warming up. So let's take it for a spin. This is great for coordination, grip strength, timing, rhythm. Change it up a little bit, so we'll go over, out, out, and back to the front. Hand shift. So constantly working from the ball. Then we're going to make a little shift again, and we're going to come across in a continuous front circle. Make sure that you reach as far across your torso as you can here. The last one. Make a shift. All right, so remember, it's a good idea to practice a skill move like that at the beginning of your nature play. And if you want to put some in at the end, that's fine, but you want to start it off, get that grip activated, and working it while you're fresh. So make it a great day. It's another beautiful day in the USA.